Today, I want to share my honest review on Zylvie. Zylvie is a tool that helps you to sell products or services, digital products, courses, subscriptions, memberships, and manage billing, checkouts, client access, and all behind the scene tasks in one place. It aims to make life easier for freelancers, coaches, agencies, or anyone who is selling online, especially if you want everything under one roof without any technical headache. So, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful tools that save you time and money. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the lifetime deal on Zylvie from the App Store. And by using the link from description, the discount will be applied automatically. So take the link from description and let's get back to the Zylvie. Now let's explore how Zylvie works and why many people like it. When you use Zylvie, you start by creating a store or a product page. You can list the digital products like ebook, online courses, subscriptions or services. Then you connect your payment option like Stripe or PayPal. Customers can pay using their credit cards, PayPal or many other supported payment methods, which makes it easier for people from different countries to buy your service or product. Once you set up your Zylvie, it gives you a checkout page that you can embed on your website or link directly to customers. There is no complicated setup for payment processing and checkout flow. This simplicity is a big help for beginners or people who don't want to deal with the code or complicated systems. One of the strong advantages of Zylvie is it supports many useful billing and sales related features. You can sell one-time payments, subscriptions, or even pay what you want products. If you want to offer a free product like for a lead magnet, that's also possible. For subscription products like renewal and payment handling, all is in built-in. Managing clients becomes smoother too. Zylvie lets you handle multiple stores or brands under a single account. This is great if you sell different types of product or services under different brand names. For example, one brand for the courses, another for the consulting services. Then you don't need separate accounts for each of your brand. So after a customer buys something, Zylvie can automatically handle fulfillment. For digital products, it can send a download link or redirect to a member area. For subscriptions or services, you can set up the automation to grant the access to trigger further the workflow through the integrations. This automation saves you time and you don't need to manually email or process order every time. If you often deal with many customers, Zylvie gives you a dashboard to manage orders, customers, payouts, and even the affiliate tracking if you run promotions or let others promote your product. So you can manage sales, subscription, and client data all from one place. A huge benefit is the lifetime deal on AppSumo. Instead of paying a monthly or yearly subscription, you pay once and you get the long-term access. That can save a lot of money in the long run, especially if you plan to run your business for years. However, like any tool, Zylvie has some trade-offs and the limitations. First of all, because the platform is focused on digital products and online services, it's not ideal if you want to sell physical goods. Its support for shipping or offline product handling is limited. Also, while Zylvie provides many features, some more advanced capabilities, for example, a full client portal where users can manage their subscriptions themselves or a dedicated mobile app, they all are missing. So this means ongoing client management might still require extra tools or the manual work. But for new users or people without technical background, the many features can feel like a bit overwhelming at first. It may take some time to understand all the settings. For example, like setting up the payment gateway, mappings, automations, and customizing the checkout or product page. Finally, while Zylvie offers the analytics and sales tracking, some reviews mention that deep analytics or more customized reporting are less advanced compared to the large established e-commerce platforms. So putting it all together, if you are a freelancer, coach, digital creator, or small business selling courses, services, or digital products, and you want a simple integrated solution that handles checkout, payment, subscription, client management, and automation, then Zylvie can be a great choice. The lifetime deal on AppSumo makes it cost effective for the long term use. But if you plan to sell physical products, need a robust client self service portal, or want the advanced analytics, you should be aware of the limitations and perhaps use Zylvie together with any additional tools. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for today's one. And if you want more simple and clear reviews like this, then you can subscribe to our channel Easy Access Tech, and don't forget to check the link from description to grab the lifetime deal on AppSumo. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.